Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I have here my two planners of 2018. If you guys have ever seen my plan with me videos, you guys would know that these are very different from the planner that I had. I used to have an Erin Condren vertical planner, and I decided to move on to different styles of planning just because I don't see myself using as much kits and stuff. I'll go ahead and let you guys know why it is that I made the change as I show you guys my new planners, but I haven't planned in a really long time just because I've been caught up with like school, stressed about finals, about assignments due every week, and also about work. So I didn't really have time to plan as much as I would have wanted to, and there really wasn't much that I was doing anyways, so I just decided to stop. And I just felt like spending so much on just sticker kits for every single week of the year was just very excessive spending, so I decided to just cut off on that. Although I do and I'm going to be using stickers in my new planners, I'm not going to be using them as much, or like complete kits in my planners. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go right into my planners. I'm also going to be doing kind of like a plan as I go. So I'm going to be doing clips of me planning every single day until the week is over, and I'll go ahead and just compile them all together and do a voiceover for you guys, just so you guys can see kind of like a plan with me. Just because I do kind of have a different style of planning now, I plan as I go. So I plan after the day of. I don't plan all at once, just because my plans did end up just changing and all of that during the week, so I just decided not to do that anymore. I'm also going to be showing you guys both of the planners that I'm going to be using for 2018. I'm going to start with this one just because this one's pretty straightforward. I actually got this at the dollar spot at Target, and this was only, believe it or not, $3. I still have the tag and everything just because I wanted to keep it for just to show you guys and stuff. And this is just a Stadler pen, if you guys are wondering. But this planner is just very minimalistic, and I really like it just because I think I'm going to be using this for like homework assignments, or to write down when it is that I have things due for school. So this is mainly going to be a school planner, and although it does have the monthly view, that's basically all it has. And then after, it just has lined paper so you can write down like stuff that you need to do. Another thing that I did wanted to do in this planner was to start writing every single day. Although I did start it for the first 2 days, as you guys can see. I didn't end up finishing it just because I just got caught up with things, but I do want to just start doing a page each day. And as you can see at the top of the page, I do start with a word of the day. So the first one I did was privilege, and the second one I did was opportunity. If you have any words that you guys would think would be great for like writing prompts, comment them down below. But I just really want to write down my thoughts and not only get better with my writing, but also get better with expressing my thoughts. I want to do that, as well as just put all of my homework assignments. So this is a very simplistic, minimalistic planner that I'm going to be using for just schoolwork. Next one that I have here is my main planner that I'm going to be using, and my boyfriend Paul actually got this for me. If you guys would have seen my what I got for Christmas video, you guys would have seen this in there. But this is the 2018 May Designs Folio Planner, and this is the weekly and monthly version. So this basically has kind of like a leather like folio, and it's 5 by 8 inches. This is actually a collab. I believe it's May Designs. It's May Designs for Blue Sky, and they had this planner at Target. I really liked it, and it definitely reminded me of those traveler notebooks that I've been seeing all over Instagram and YouTube. So I did really like it, and I'm so glad that my boyfriend Paul got this for me. It's just really pretty, and I like this whole band and everything. So what it comes with is the 2 notebooks. So the first notebook has January to June, and the second one has July to December. I do want to go ahead and add more. I already checked the May Designs website, and they do have different templates for different notebooks. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe purchase another one and put right here. But what I've also seen that a lot of traveler notebooks have are like inserts and all of that. So if you guys know of any inserts that I can put in my traveler's notebook, let me know. I do want to go ahead and pack this with with a lot of cute things. I just really haven't had the time to, and I really wouldn't know where to look at, because trust me, going from an Erin Condren to this planner is a completely different change. What I do have on the sides here are a couple of stickers that I've been having from a couple of just kits and just character stickers. I also have this picture of me and my boyfriend for my mom's Christmas party, so I'll put these back. And the pen that I have here is just a Target pen that I've also found at the dollar spot that just says to do. If you guys know where to find really cute pens that write really nicely, go ahead and let me know as well. I would love to know more things that I can use to make this planner more me. So this is how it looks like. It has the yearly overview, it has a couple of pages for contacts, and then in the beginning of each month it just says make a plan. What are your goals for this month? Celebrations, events, and the don't forgets, and those are just my bills and stuff, and then the miscellaneous. And then it comes with, I'm just gonna zoom in you guys in a little bit. This is just the monthly view. So like you guys see, I am putting the wacky holidays right in the middle when I don't have anything to do, or like at the bottom when I do have other things. So I want to go ahead and write the things down that I have to do first, and once the week is over I put down the wacky holidays. But those are that, and this is how my first week of the year actually look like. I went ahead and put some washi, and I'm also going to put it down here. I just couldn't, just because I had this here. But this is how I'm basically using my planner. This one has a horizontal view, as you guys can see, but what I really like about this planner is that it has all these sections as well. So it has a to-do section for the week, a call or email section for the week, and an errand section. I also has like a notes section. I did go to San Diego this week, so I put like a to pack list, and this one is from a Happy Blue Tray. I'll go ahead and link all of the shops that I do talk about like I used to in my Erin Condren videos, but as you guys can see, I just really like having little decorative or character stickers when I do things. So this is my way of decorating my planner. As you guys know, my planner is kind of like a diary or a memory book for me, just because I don't know if you guys know, but I have really bad memory, and just having a planner makes me remember the times or the things that I did in the past days, and it just makes me happy to have this, especially when I do things with my boyfriend or I go out with my friends and I want to remember it. So that's the main reason why I even have a planner in the first place. And I like doing little check marks. I feel like that makes me feel like I accomplished something, like I did something productive during the day. So checking those off really make me feel better about myself. So that's basically how that looks like. This is last week's. I still haven't finished this one, but as you guys can see, I really like it. And I just do this at night after the day's over. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing for the plan with me. Now this is a week that we're going to go ahead and start. So I'm just going to show you guys what else this has. So as you guys can see, like I said, it has all these like make a plan, celebration, goals, and events for that month, which I think it's really cool. And I already did start putting some of birthdays in there. And at the end of the notebook, it just gives you some notes. I think I'm going to do here is kind of my reflection on the 6 months that have passed. And then it starts with the new one, and this one's exactly the same way as the other one. So as you guys can see, it's very minimalistic. I don't have many things compared to other videos you've seen of like traveler notebooks or just planners in general, just because I'm getting back into the swing of things. But if you guys have any suggestions on whether it be on stickers, on pens, on inserts, or anything for this planner, like I said, this is a 5x8 planner. So if you guys know of any shops that sell any inserts for these kinds of planners, let me know. Okay, so for this week, I'm going to be using this washi tape. This is just the Scotch Expression glittery washi tape. This is the silver one, and I'm gonna, like I've done in the past, just up top and down here. Okay, so I went ahead and cut off the excess washi, and this is how it ends up looking like. Next, I'm going to go ahead and write down every day that I have to work. Well, actually, I write down work on all of them, and I write down whether I work or I have it off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly. just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do Monday just because today is Monday, and that, like I said, is going to be a plan as I go. So every night after the day is over, I'm going to go ahead and plan for it. So first off, I'm gonna get this Fox and Cactus sticker, as well as a Stick With Me shop little panda and a little munchkin face. I did go to the gym this day. I had a lazy day. I ate a bagel for breakfast, and then later on that night I watched a Cinderella story on Netflix, and I filmed this plan with me and I edited my vlog. Then I go ahead and make a list of call and emailed errands and just a couple later of to-dos that I have to do during the week. Then on Tuesday, I uploaded the vlog. I went to the gym. My FAFSA money came in. I pumped some gas. I had some Chick-fil-A with Paul, and these little Fox and Cactus girls eating the fries literally kill me, guys. Literally kill me. You'll see right there. Those stickers literally kill me. Then I went ahead and put a cleaning sticker because I did clean the kitchen, and I went to take out money from the ATM that night as well. I'm also very sorry if you guys can see my hair in my head throughout the whole video. I just realized that I was doing that. But like I said here, I'm just doing to-dos that I have to do. Usually I have a couple of bills during the week, so I'm just noting them down. And just things that I have to do, like go to the ATM, buy some mousse, my hair dye, my workout pants, all of that good stuff. I've been really into fitness this week, so I've started to go on a run or hikes or go to the gym a lot more than I used to. See, I'm using this little squatting girl from Fox and Cactus, and as you guys can see, I love her stickers and I can't get enough of them. I think this day was a day full of just her stickers, so that's my life. I went to the gym, I went on a Target run, and I'm using it for also laundry and fix clothes. I saw my boyfriend Paul, and I had some In-N-Out. On Thursday, I went to Chipotle for lunch. I filmed my BoxyCharm unboxing. I edited the video. I returned some shoes at the mall, and I FaceTimed my boyfriend. I actually got this little heart from a Happy Planner sticker pack from Michael's. Then on Friday, I uploaded my BoxyCharm unboxing. I met Paul's friends. We went to Luna Grill for lunch. We had 7 Leaves boba, which was my first time, and I absolutely loved that jasmine tea. And last but not least, me and Paul's friend Sonia drank some wine. On Saturday, I did a couple things, and I'm kind of sad that I wasn't able to note them all, but I went on a hike with my boyfriend Paul. I went to church and then later to brunch with his family. I got my car fixed, and then we ate some pizza that night. And on Sunday, I went on a run with him as well. We went school shopping, and at night, we had some ramen with my sister. This is how my planner ends up looking like at the end of the week. I am so happy. I really love all these stickers that I have implemented in this and all the things that I did. What I am a little bit sad about is that Saturday and Sunday are so small, and I did so many things that some of the things that I did on Saturday, I couldn't note them, but that's okay. I really used the to-do list and the errand list a lot, but I didn't use the note section, so I'm trying to figure out what to do when I don't use the note section. Maybe put more washi, maybe cover the whole thing in washi. I'm not sure. I really hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more plan with me's, and go ahead and let me know what kind of planner you have. Do you have an Erin Condren? I used to have an Erin Condren life planner, but as you guys know from the beginning of this video, I changed to this one, and I really am enjoying it just because it is on the smaller side and I don't have to buy as many stickers for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, like I said, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.